For 30 years, I have traveled to congregations throughout the Lutheran Church Missouri Synod. In that time, I have seen more and more people grieving. Older, longtime church members grieve the changes that they have seen in American culture and in the institutional church. Now, there are reasons for what has happened. It is not hard to understand. But there is also hope. We are in a new time, a time to rediscover, or perhaps to discover for the very first time, what it really means to be the Church of Jesus Christ. That's what we will look at in my Prof Insights. Studying 1 Peter will gain strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow. We'll learn again that it is a great time to be the church. I hope you'll join us.